AI is redefining beauty, and it's happening faster than anyone imagined. From Instagram posts to magazine covers, more and more models aren't even real. They're AI generated. Flawless skin, perfect lighting, exotic locations, all created with just a few clicks. It's no longer about hiring a photographer or booking a location. Today, one person with the right tools can generate a supermodel in under 30 seconds. And these AI models, they don't age, complain, or need sleep. That's the shocking truth. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DAZ 3D are making this future possible. They let users create stunning, hyper-realistic fashion photos, with zero human input. Fashion brands are already experimenting with it. Some are using AI models in full campaigns, and the public doesn't even notice. But here's the problem: the line between real and fake is disappearing. Scams, catfishing, identity theft, it's all becoming harder to detect. And for real models, the stakes are even higher. Entire careers could vanish as AI models flood the industry. This isn't science fiction. It's already here. And it raises serious questions. Who gets hired when AI can model better than humans? Can we even trust what we see online anymore? The modeling world is changing, and fast. And the scariest part? We're just getting started.